Welcome to Insight for You, your trusted source for open, honest discussions about health, wellness, and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to tackle a topic that's often overlooked, but is extremely important: the benefits and risks of masturbation for seniors. Whether you're watching this video for yourself or to support a loved one, we've got you covered. We're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the advantages of self-exploration to some key considerations and practical advice for safe and enjoyable experiences. So, get comfy, grab a warm cup of tea, and let's have a real, unfiltered conversation about a topic that affects so many, no matter how old we are. Why does this matter? You might be wondering, why is this topic so important? Well, the reality is that sexual health doesn't stop being relevant as we age. In fact, many studies show that maintaining a healthy sexual life, including self-exploration, can have profound effects on mental, emotional, and even physical health as we grow older. It's easy to assume that as we age, our sexual desires and functions naturally fade. But the truth is, self-pleasure can play a critical role in maintaining an overall healthy and fulfilling life. Whether you're interested in this for yourself, or simply looking for more information to help someone close to you, you'll walk away from this video with a deeper understanding of how masturbation, something that's natural and universal, can benefit seniors in so many ways. But just like anything else, it's important to approach masturbation with care and awareness. In this video, we'll cover all aspects of the topic, the good, the bad, and offer you some practical tips that ensure this activity remains a healthy part of life as we age. Let's talk about the benefits of masturbation for seniors. When we think about masturbation, we often focus only on the pleasurable aspects, but it's so much more than that, especially for seniors. The benefits extend far beyond just satisfaction. From mental health to physical well-being, here's a look at how masturbation can enhance your life. 1. Enhanced mood and stress relief. When you engage in masturbation, your body releases a flood of endorphins, those amazing feel-good hormones. Endorphins are natural mood lifters that can help ease stress, reduce anxiety, and promote feelings of well-being. This can be especially beneficial for seniors who experience increased stress or emotional strain, whether from life changes, health concerns, or even isolation. Masturbation serves as a form of self-care that can elevate mood and offer a sense of relaxation. And we all know how important it is to prioritize mental health, especially as we age. 2. Better sleep for restful nights. For many seniors, sleep can be an elusive thing. Issues like insomnia, frequent waking, or sleep disturbances are common. Masturbation can actually improve sleep quality. After orgasm, the body releases a combination of oxytocin and prolactin, both of which are hormones that induce relaxation and make falling asleep much easier. Getting a good night's sleep is vital for your overall health. It boosts immune function, supports brain health, and even improves your mood. Masturbation can be part of a nighttime ritual that prepares you for more restful sleep, helping you wake up feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the day. 3. Boosting physical health. Masturbation isn't just a pleasurable activity. It can also play a role in maintaining your physical health. Regular self-pleasure can enhance blood circulation, which is critical for overall cardiovascular health. As you age, good circulation can help reduce the risks of heart disease, stroke, and other circulation-related issues. Additionally, masturbation strengthens pelvic floor muscles, which can help maintain urinary control and sexual function. For both men and women, it can keep things in working order and prevent conditions like erectile dysfunction or vaginal dryness. Plus, the improved circulation and muscle strength also contribute to a stronger immune system, helping you stay healthier overall. 4. Confidence and body awareness. One of the most empowering aspects of masturbation is the self-awareness it cultivates. Learning what feels good and how your body responds can significantly boost confidence. And who doesn't want to feel good about themselves? For seniors, this can be especially important, as aging often comes with changes in body image and self-esteem. Masturbation gives you the chance to reconnect with your body, embrace it, and celebrate it for everything it is. This heightened sense of self-awareness can enhance your overall confidence and create a deeper sense of self-love, 2 things that are essential for overall well-being. 5. Preserving sexual function and libido. A common concern for many older adults is preserving sexual health. With age, libido can decrease, and conditions like vaginal dryness or erectile dysfunction can become more prevalent. The good news is that regular masturbation can help maintain your sexual function. For women, it can improve vaginal health, maintain lubrication, and even preserve elasticity. For men, it can help prevent erectile dysfunction and keep the penis responsive to sexual stimulation. Masturbation also helps maintain libido, ensuring that seniors can continue to experience sexual pleasure, even if they don't have a partner. Potential risks and important considerations. While the benefits of masturbation for seniors are significant, it's important to recognize some potential risks and considerations. Understanding these factors can help ensure that your experience remains enjoyable and safe. 1. Overuse and physical discomfort. As with any physical activity, excessive masturbation can lead to discomfort. Seniors should listen to their bodies and avoid overdoing it. Overuse can lead to irritation, soreness, or even muscle strain. It's essential to pay attention to how your body feels during and after masturbation, and give yourself breaks if needed. Taking it slow and steady ensures that masturbation remains an enjoyable and comfortable experience. 2. Managing pre-existing medical conditions. Many seniors live with chronic conditions like arthritis, back pain, or limited mobility. These conditions may make certain masturbation positions or movements uncomfortable. But don't worry, there are ways to work around these issues. Consider using adaptive tools or aids that can make the experience more comfortable. Pillows, cushions, and specialized vibrators designed for seniors can help you find positions that are both enjoyable and gentle on your body. 3. Mental and emotional considerations. For some, especially those raised in more conservative environments, feelings of guilt or shame around masturbation can arise. These feelings are often rooted in cultural or religious beliefs. It's important to understand that masturbation is a natural, healthy, and normal part of life. If you find that guilt or shame is affecting your well-being, it may be helpful to speak with a professional, such as a therapist or counselor, who can help you navigate these emotions and address any underlying beliefs that may be causing distress. Practical tips for safe and enjoyable masturbation. Here are some practical tips to help seniors explore masturbation safely, comfortably, and with confidence. These tips are all about enhancing the experience and ensuring that it's both enjoyable and beneficial for your well-being. 1. Go slow and listen to your body. There's no need to rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. Masturbation is about discovering what feels good to you at your own pace. Don't worry about meeting any expectations. Relax, be present, and let your body guide you. 2. Use lubrication to enhance comfort. As we age, dryness becomes a common issue, especially for women. Using a high-quality lubricant can significantly improve comfort and pleasure. Opt for a lubricant that's gentle, non-irritating, and safe for sensitive skin. This small addition can make a world of difference. 3. Explore toys or aids. If certain positions or motions are uncomfortable, consider using sexual aids or toys. There are many options available that are specifically designed for seniors. Devices that make the experience more comfortable, enjoyable, and easy to use. 4. Open communication with your partner. If you're in a relationship, don't be afraid to have an open and honest conversation with your partner about masturbation. Talking about your sexual needs, desires, and preferences can foster closer intimacy and lead to more fulfilling experiences together, whether it's self-pleasure or shared moments. Final thoughts. Masturbation as a healthy part of aging. To wrap things up, masturbation is a natural, healthy, and empowering activity that can offer numerous benefits, no matter your age. From boosting your mood and improving sleep to preserving sexual function and enhancing physical health, the advantages are clear. Approach masturbation with mindfulness, care, and self-awareness, and it can continue to play a positive role in your life for years to come. Remember, there's no need to feel embarrassed or guilty. It's an important part of maintaining sexual health, emotional well-being, and overall wellness.